Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great clearance price travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're going to look at a very affordable 2011 Trail Sport by RVision Monaco. This is a model number 23RS, and this is a pretty unique little floor plan, folks. It's a 24-foot camper with a rear power slide out that makes it almost 30 feet long when you're set up camping. And it's lightweight, 4,200 pounds. You can tow it and sleep the entire family. It's got a queen bed in the back. It's got bunks in the front. Sleeps up to, if I'm not mistaken, it sleeps 8. We'll look inside and verify that, of course. All fiberglass exterior, in great shape, built by Monaco Coach Corporation. You know, they build Holiday Ramblers. Some of the most expensive and highest quality RVs on the market are built by Monaco. Got a power tongue jack. Got a cargo loading door. Goes underneath your rear bunk. Rear bunk folds up. You can put your bicycles, your outdoor gear, pretty much whatever you want in there without having to carry it through the camper to load it. You can see the striping and finish, and the body looks great. I don't see delamination anywhere. 6-gallon DSI water heater. It does have a outside shower. This is a power rear fiberglass slide with a queen bed in it. And then you get the best of both worlds. You get a small camper to tow and a larger camper to stay in when you're set up at the campground. So like I said, you get the best of both. Dual axle, of course. Tires look great. See over here, side looks great. Got outside speakers for your stereos. Got a CD stereo inside. Of course, you see Monaco RV 23RS. Sleeps up to 10 people, actually. Let's look inside this little camper, folks. You'll be impressed how much room you get for 24 feet. Now, folks, one thing I am going to point out, and I've got a mattress. In fact, it's probably already here, but I've got a mattress, a custom mattress for it. So we'll have a brand new mattress in the rear bed. Never slept on. Up here in the front, now these are double bunks, almost full-size beds. So you could actually sleep two kids in here a piece. So that's where you get the extra 10, or you can sleep 2 adults in these, or one in each bed. No carpet. I like that. Easy to keep clean. And of course, if you're going to have a bunch of kids with you, that's a nice feature to have. Double sink. It's got a microwave. It has a stovetop oven, TV, Norcold refrigerator, freezer. Sleeper sofa and table booth make a bed. So you can sleep 4 back here, 2 in the back, and 2 or 4 in the front, depending on how big they are. So folks, you're going to carry more people than you want to have in this small space, trust me. Look over here. You've got the bathroom, tub, toilet, medicine cabinet. You know, everything you need. Neat little camper, folks. It's value priced at $89.95. That is clearance priced. This unit was $11,900. In fact, you can see the old price on it right there. $89.95, and that's our medium option 2 price. Let me tell you again how the clearance price system works that we're doing. We're trying to clear out all of our travel trailers. It's because we want to concentrate on selling motorhomes, fifth wheels, and toy haulers only. That's our bread and butter. You know, these travel trailers are all over the internet. They're a dime a dozen, so we're just marking them all down to cost, some below cost, and selling them clearance priced. And we have 3 different prices. I always advertise it with a middle price, but let me go ahead and tell you, and I'm going to put everything I'm telling you on the body of the ad too, so you can go back and review it. We have 3 different prices. The most expensive price is $9,495, and includes this 2011 Trail Sport 23RS. Includes a major systems inspection by our certified RV techs that will be included, that will be performed after purchase. It also includes a 90-day nationwide limited warranty. After it's been through service, you also get a personal one-on-one walkthrough by the RV tech that checked it out. He's going to show you everything about this camper, how to operate it, how to set it up at the campground, answer any questions, tips, tricks, and pointers, how to hook it to your vehicle, but give you the whole, white glove treatment there. That's included at that $94.95 price. Also get a year of free camping at select RV resorts nationwide, up to 21 nights total, up to 7 nights at a time. And these are $100 a night campgrounds. These are not your run-of-the-mill state parks. These are nice places. That's included as well, at no cost to you whatsoever. Also included is a free starter kit, free temporary tag, and instructional DVD. Now, that's option one, folks, $94.95. That's haggle free firm. I'm not taking a dime off of that. In fact, I'm losing money on this camper at that price. Option two is what I've got it advertised for, which is $89.95. It includes all the same features as option one, except it does not include a 90-day nationwide warranty. Now we have option three, which is the lowest priced one. It is $86.95. $86.95 is buying the 2011 Trail Sport 23 RS. It's as is. No checkout. It will include the mattress, of course, since it's already ordered. It does include the mattress, and we'll show you how, and that's it. We'll show you how to bring the room in, and that's it, folks. It's as is, just like we got it, just like we traded for it. As is, where is. Take the good with the bad. No inspection, no walkthrough, no warranty, no camping. It's just a bare bones deal. $86.95. You get the camper and you get a starter kit, temp tag, instructional DVD, and that's it. That's $86.95. That's the lowest possible price you can buy this camper for. Doesn't matter if you're paying cash, trade, finance, or a combination of the three. All three of those prices are firm. And again, folks, I will have a written breakdown of each price so you can be your own judge how you want to buy it. Folks, this is a $12,000 camper you can buy for as low as $86.95. It's you're buying it for wholesale. We're losing money on it. You're buying it for under dealer cost. I'm not trying to get rich off of it. I'm just trying to move all these travel trailers. If you're in the market for a travel trailer, you've stumbled across the lowest prices on the country for these individual make and models. Like I said, you're buying them for dealer cost. And you can still get the benefits buying from a dealer with a checkout and the warranty if you want to pay for it. Anyway, folks, take a look at this camper. If you want to come look at this in person, give us a call, give us a 24-hour minimum notice. We'll run a generator to it, or we'll hook it into power, have everything on, and let you do your own inspection on this camper. And then you can decide if you want to do 1, 2, or 3 as far as the price. Anyway, folks, give us a call with any questions, 706-965-7929. Evenings and Sundays, 423-605-6747. You can email us, sales@parkwayrvcenter.com or .net. You can check out our website, again, parkwayrvcenter.com, see our entire inventory. Got about 140 used RVs, more arriving daily. Got some great buys. If you come out here and look in person, folks, you're pretty much, you're going to find something you're going to want to buy. I mean, that's pretty much, with this much inventory, that's pretty much a certainty. So thank you for watching my video. Nationwide deliveries available. Financing's available with approved credit, minimum down payment of 10%. Of course, this price range RV, you can pretty much go to your local bank or credit union, get a personal loan, signature loan, or borrow money on the camper for a lot less trouble than going through one of our lenders, since they've done business with you before. And you don't need 10-year financing for under $10,000, folks. That's just a waste of money. Anyway, give us a call if you have any questions. Drop us an email and let us know if we can help. And look forward to seeing you soon in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.